Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to remove fingerprint in our vivo phone device. And guys, you want to delete your fingerprint lock in your vivo phone device, so guys you can delete. And guys, now let's see how to delete fingerprint lock in our vivo phone device. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So friends, before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos friends. So it's now time to start video friends. First of all, open your phone setting, then guys scroll it down and guys click on the security setting. Guys, we will have to click here as fingerprint. Guys, draw your pattern which you have, and guys you can see add fingerprint. Guys, you want to add, so guys you can add from here, but guys we want to remove, so guys you can see this delete option. Then guys you can see this remove, so guys remove. So a fingerprint will remove in your vivo phone, then guys you cannot use your fingerprint in your vivo phone device. So I hope friends we have understood how to remove fingerprint in our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye.